Good afternoon. Today I'm going to demonstrate the parts and how to use the floor polisher. But first, I'm going to demonstrate the parts of floor polisher. We have the handle, operational control, the metal tube, the power cord, and the hook for the power cord. And we also have the pedal kick clutch, the transport wheels, the body, and inside the body, of course, we have the motor, pad diameter, or the heavy-duty brush. And that's how I demonstrate the parts of the floor polisher. Now, I'm going to demonstrate on how to use the floor polisher. But before that, you have to check first the physical condition of the floor polisher. If it is okay to use or if it is safe to use, then start using the floor polisher. First, plug it, leveled the floor polisher on your hips, or it depends on your height. Adjust the pedal kick clutch, depends on your height or on your hips. Lock it, and then start using the floor polisher. Up, right side, down, left side, middle, neutral. Again, up, right side, down, left side, middle, neutral. Middle, neutral. Up, right side, down, left side, middle, neutral. And that's how I use the floor polisher. After you use the floor polisher, unplug it, clean and sanitize your floor polisher, then store it on storage area or pantry area. And that's how I demonstrate on how to use the floor polisher.